In today's video, I am going to teach you how to permanently close Hootsuite account. If you have decided you no longer want to use Hootsuite, closing your account is the right step. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact menu path you need to follow so you can reach the permanent delete option. To begin, open Hootsuite and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. There you will see your profile image icon. Click that icon to open the account menu. Take a moment to make sure you are clicking your profile area rather than a different button on the page. This step is important because the billing and account options are typically grouped under the profile menu, not the main dashboard. After you click your profile image icon, a slide-out menu should appear. Next, you will click Plan and Billing from that slide-out menu. This is where Hootsuite organizes subscription and account settings related to paid plans, and it also includes the Delete Account section. Look closely at the menu items and select Plan and Billing exactly as it appears. If you do not see the option right away, wait briefly, because the menu sometimes takes a moment to fully load. Once you have selected Plan and Billing, the view will change to the Billing and Plan Settings area. Now you need to expand the Delete My Account section. This means you will find a section on the page labeled for deleting the account, and then open it by clicking the section header or the Expand control. Expanding the section helps confirm that you are in the correct area, since account deletion settings are usually hidden until you open that specific panel. Take your time here and ensure the Delete My Account options are actually visible before continuing. Now that the Delete My Account section is expanded, you will see the final action you need to take to close your account permanently. In this step, click Delete Account. This is the confirmation button that initiates the deletion process. When you click it, the interface may ask you to confirm your decision or provide additional details to ensure you understand the impact. If a confirmation prompt appears, follow what it requires on screen before completing the process. The reason for this extra check is that permanently closing an account typically cannot be undone, so Hootsuite usually requires a final confirmation. As you complete the deletion action, be aware that your access may end based on the process and timing shown by the site. After the deletion request is confirmed, you should see a message or status update indicating that the account closure has been initiated. If the system provides any final instructions, review them carefully. That will help you understand what happens next and what you can expect after the account is closed. If you encounter any navigation differences, focus on the same menu path, profile image icon in the bottom left corner, then Plan and Billing in the slide-out menu, then expanding the Delete My Account section, and finally clicking Delete Account. Staying consistent with those steps will keep you on track even if the layout looks slightly different on your screen. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.